Are you ready to take your future to the next level? The P-Tech Advanced Manufacturing Program is your gateway to success. Get hands-on experience with cutting-edge robot technology such as Kawasaki, Fanuc, and KUKA. Receive mentorship from industry experts and complete project-based learning that prepares you for real-world success.
Earn certifications in areas like industrial automation and smart manufacturing. Join a program designed to make you industry ready for advanced manufacturing and high-tech careers.
Start your CTE journey at Porter Early College High School.
Your future in P-Tech
begins here.